too much mashy cables. Let's fix it. I'm in customer place. This is how previously installed by some other peoples. This is too much mashy and too much cables are there. It is not organized very well. We are going to organize it, and after organizing it will be look like. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So I am going to unplug all these things. I am going to disconnect all these things. First I will remove this power junction box. Now I am unplugging the router. If you like the video, if you want any clarification regarding CCTV cameras, computer, please ask in comment. I will surely help you. Any doubts in CCTV cameras, computer, related to networking, you can ask me in comment. I will put video on that, or else I will guide you on that. So everything I am going to remove this. If you are a CCTV installer, please watch carefully how I am doing. It will be very helpful, and never ever install like this, because it will create bad impression with customer if you are a CCTV installer. Because of this, customer complains that every time I am getting disconnected from internet or lines, all these things issue will come because of this. And you see that, or I think rats, all these things are there. So there is no safe place, or there is no place for this DVR, all these things. They kept as it is after installation. So I am recommend to our installer, CCTV installer, do not install like this. Please use server rack. Whoever installer, they know what is the server rack, 2U rack, single U rack, 4U rack, all these things coming. So I am going to remove all these power points of CCTV cameras. Before removing, remember the colors, which one is given for plus, which one is given for minus. So while refixing, you should not get confused. If you want to skip the video, you can skip, because it is taking time. So this is 2 dummy cables are there. So I am keeping one mark on that, so I should not get confused. Before removing cables, you should note it down which cables are connected which port. Otherwise you need to, after installation, after connecting, so this is the rack which I am going to install. This is DU350D, 2U350D. It is around 800 rupees or something, 800 rupees or 900 rupees only. If you install this rack, it looks like professional and neatness in your premises. So before mounting, we should remove this door. This is the spring clip is there. After that, keep that rack where you want and mark it. After marking, use a drill and then put screws like this on that mark. After that, you need to just hang this to your rack on that screws, so it will get fixed. So now our rack is fixed. Now I am going to insert all these cables on that. I already removed all the unnecessary cables. I'm just keeping whichever cables are required, that only. Totally 7 cameras are there, 7 cameras, video pins and then power card. And here one thing, so every cables has their own plus minus cables. So to better you want to identify, so do one thing, I will show you. I am going to mark on that cable, like I am going to twist it. To identify the same pair should be connected in that power port. This is the LAN cable for internet purpose. It was a little bit extra. I am not going to short it. I am keeping it as it is inside because we have too much space inside. If you don't want to see these steps also, you can skip and watch till the end. HDMI cable of CCTV camera, DVR and TV. Power supply power card and HDMI card. This is BNC camera video pin and this is HDMI and power card, and this is for camera power line. If you have any doubt on CCTV camera and computer related, networking related, door access system related, any doubts or any queries, just leave one comment. I will surely help you. Don't worry, I won't charge you anything. This is the mark I am telling. So here you can easily, if we put this, if we twist this cables, power cable like this, you can easily give that power line to that power exact power card. Otherwise what happens, this number 1's camera plus will come on number 2's plus, and then number 2 minus will come on number 1. So it should not get swapped. So it should not get swapped. I am going to twist it like this. So the pair will be separately for that camera only. So it won't be swapped with other camera cable. Now this work is completed. Now I am going to give the power supply. Remember one thing, plus or minus should be the same, positive negative should be in camera side and power supply side. Otherwise camera will not work. Yeah, camera power connection is done. Now I am going to connect DVR power supply. DVR is getting on. Now camera power supply is to be switched on. Yeah. Yeah, given camera power supply also. Now I am going to connect HDMI cable. Now HDMI cable is connected. Let's check that DVR has been on or 1 minute. Yeah, DVR is switched on. Look, that Ethernet line also blinked. In TV also that output is came. But still I am not connected that camera video pins, BNC pins and DVR. Now let's connect one by one. Mouse also working fine. Now I am inserting video pins in same port where previously it was connected. Yeah, I have connected fully. Look, my router and then DVR and then power supply. All this kept in box, and the camera also switched on. It is on live view. After connecting, I am going to close this. Previously it was too much messy. Now it's look like more professional. It is looking nice and neat. It is almost work is completed. Now look, previously it was too messy, but now it is looks like very neat and very awesome. Look, before it was like this. Now after doing all this work, it was like this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.